Good morning. Real E-Leezy, man. How we doing? Good morning. G Shaw in the building. I really go by Eli though, but which is my middle name. That's why I got Real E-Leezy. That's my nickname. So that's one of my aliases. You feel me? But you know, niggas on this YouTube shit call me G Shaw because I be donating to their channel, and that's what pops up. Forget about, you know, the lighting and looking at me in the video. Just focus on the message. Now we about to get into it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me add, everybody have a blessed day. You know what I'm saying? Love, live life. But I told you niggas. I was on Ticket Channel. You know what I'm saying? I was on motherfucking Ticket Channel yesterday on the live stream, in a live chat. And I was just straight giving facts of what was gonna go down yesterday. And I even made in one of my other videos, I told you niggas what the Lakers was. That game against Utah was a fluke. But niggas be secretly capping for LeBron and the Lakers. You know what I'm saying? And trying to use all these other motherfuckers as excuse and the reason why they ain't doing this and doing that. You come out in a press game, post-game news conference yesterday, you know what I'm saying, LeBron. And what does he say? He pretty much advocates for Russell Westbrook. Which I knew he had Russell Westbrook. See, that's what I'm saying, like. The nigga be triple and double talking though, because I don't think he had time for his advisors and his publicists to tell that nigga what to say. Because LeBron will say one thing, he'll give you the motherfucking politically correct answer, and then he'll give you an answer to where he being himself and he's, you know what I'm saying, unapologetically, you know what I'm saying, not sorry, or unapologetically, you feel me? You know what I'm trying to say. Shit, it's early, motherfuckers. I'm on my way to work. He'll say shit unapologetically. You feel me? He'll keep it 100. Of course, any player gonna be mad when you the star player, motherfucker, and you get benched. What that make him look like? You know what I'm saying? This ain't the first go around for star players getting benched and then being unhappy with it because maybe the level of success or their level of play is not, you know, performing up to standards and expectations. But guess who advocated for Russ, you know what I'm saying, to come over? And they traded the whole team for the motherfucker. They traded a whole team for a motherfucker, and they traded players that helped the Lakers win a bubble championship. This nigga LeBron? You want to talk about the greatest leaders in the game? That shit have never happened on Kobe watch. That shit have never happened on motherfucking Michael Jordan watch. Nigga, fuck is we talking about? But niggas secretly come out and everything is Frank Vogel fault. See, somebody gotta be the scapegoat. This has been LeBron's whole career. But niggas don't come out and say that. LeBron had a terrible motherfucking fourth quarter in the clutch, down the stretch. Terrible. Who told this nigga he was a three-point specialist? Nigga, you ain't never been a motherfucking great shooter. So all of a sudden, this motherfucker supposed to be one of the greatest shooters ever. I look at the eye test, nigga. Fuck numbers and fuck metrics. I always tell motherfuckers that. Yes, you can use metrics and numbers in some instances, but you have to also use the eye test, nigga. We watching this shit. We know exactly what's going on. So don't come out here and throw numbers, nigga. is a shit show. It shows. There's no real leadership from top to bottom in the organization. You don't see motherfucking Melo as my guy. That's my guy. I love Melo. You don't see that nigga motherfucking teaching these young guys and pulling them to the side, having conversations with them, telling them what to do in certain, you know what I'm saying, situations of the game. You don't see LeBron telling motherfuckers what to do in certain situations of the game, nigga. These niggas go out and play ISO one-on-one basketball, and they try to use their athletic talent and God-given talent to create, you know what I'm saying, shots on the court. That's not going to win you a championship. Carmelo played winning ball down the stretch yesterday. Then they take him out. He had key offensive rebounds, key post-ups. You know what I'm saying? Mind you that he missed a couple of threes down the stretch, which would have given the Lakers, you know what I'm saying, a better chance. But check this out. It's hard, nigga, when you expect that nigga to make all of these shots. You feel me? And that nigga's a motherfucking role player. You're using him as a role player, not a starter. See, even as motherfucking star athletes, you have to feature these niggas and build these niggas' confidence, nigga. Even though Melo ain't never been shy though, nigga, but you think Melo wants to motherfucking come off the bench, nigga? You can say all what you want about his defense, nigga. You can play Melo and give him starter minutes, but still use him as a role player by starting him. Why is he coming off the bench, nigga? One of the best players in NBA history who obviously can still get it done, nigga, if you use him in the right situations. Portland was an excellent situation for Carmelo. Because you know why? He just didn't sit out there at the three-point line and wait for a motherfucker to pass on the ball like he weak, like he hella weak or something, though. You feel me? Melo was killing in Portland. You know what I'm saying? He resurrected his career after they said he was done, washed, no need this, no need that. We already know that, so stop bringing that up. But the leadership of the organization from top to bottom is terrible. And Frank Vogel never been a good coach, niggas. I be trying to explain that. You keep talking about Indiana. He wanted Indiana for like several years or whatever the fuck. Shit, they didn't win nothing though. And they had championship level team over there. In my opinion. And you know why he didn't win that? Because he can't command a fucking team. Those players were young over there. Nigga, David West went to the Warriors, nigga, and won a championship, nigga. And he was a valuable part of that. You know what I'm saying? And that's when he was older. So why he couldn't get down in the East, nigga, when he was younger then? Nigga, when he was better. When he was featured, nigga, in the offense. Young Paul George, nigga. Feel me? Giving niggas the business over there in the East. All-star. George Hill, Lance Stevenson. Bojan Bogdanovic. Hibbert. They had a nice team, man. So then Indiana finally decides to let Frank Vogel go. For whatever reason, they didn't make it over the mountaintop. They was never able to reach the pinnacle and get to a championship and, you know what I'm saying, ultimately win one in Indiana. So Pacers move on from him. Where does he go? He goes to Orlando, nigga, where it was a shit show again. The nigga didn't win nothing, nigga. He's a defensive coach. Why couldn't he turn Orlando's franchise around? Just answer the questions. Niggas be out here capping, nigga. Stop with the cap. Nigga, y'all got me turned up in the morning because niggas don't know nothing about basketball, nigga. Niggas out here cap for LeBron and they blame it on Russ. Somebody gotta be the scapegoat every time for LeBron. Every time. If it ain't a player, it's a coach. If it ain't a coach, it's a motherfucking team executive. If it ain't a team executive, it's the media. If it ain't the media, it's this motherfucker. If it ain't this motherfucker, it's that motherfucker. Nigga's the poster child of the league, nigga. And he's been the poster child of the league since he was 16 years old, nigga. When Kobe was in his prime. Do you think them niggas really repped Kobe like they rep LeBron, nigga? Think about it. LeBron was 16 years old on the front of the Slam magazine, nigga. They showed all of that nigga, most of that nigga games on ESPN in high school, nigga. Who else got that type of press and that type of motherfucking love? Being in high school. It's been hella great #1 high school players, nigga. And we just talking about high school players. Fuck what the rest of their career look like. Great high school players, nigga. This nigga was headlining ESPN games, nigga. In high school. Kobe was the best player in the league at that time. And they still marketed LeBron James. King James this. He was on every motherfucking, like, that's what I'm saying. Niggas had vested interest in LeBron James and his publishing company. Like, you know what I'm saying? Niggas get paid to talk good shit about LeBron. Nick Wright. Shut that bitch ass short. All these niggas come out here cat for LeBron. Nigga not know. I ain't never seen nobody on TV say, yeah, LeBron. And then throw that nigga name in a negative light like they used to do Kobe. They would try to rip Kobe's character apart. The shit that he said about Karl Malone and Shaquille O'Neal, them niggas going out clubbing and shit, and he'd rather be nigga getting work done, nigga. The allegedly, all the dry snitching he was doing. He was answering the question, nigga. He was keeping it 100. Them niggas fucking with hoes, nigga. I'm trying to win championship, nigga. And then, nigga, the whole motherfucking allegations with motherfucking, in Colorado with the white bitch, nigga. They sent the white bitch after that nigga. Come to find out this bitch was a hoe. Going from dorm room to dorm room, trying to bust that shit open and see what's happening, nigga. You answer the door, nigga, with your thing out, nigga. It's all gravy. You feel me? That's what type of bitch she was. She had other niggas' motherfucking DNA and semen in her panties, nigga. Come on. But this nigga LeBron James is a god? No, nigga. He's a fraud, nigga. Throw the numbers out the window. It's the eye test. You're fooled by the nigga dunking on people. You're being fooled by the nigga opening up this phony ass school. You're being fooled by the nigga coming out here trying to be a motherfucking activist. You're being fooled. He has a white racist ass publicist. You're being fooled. But niggas don't understand none of this shit, nigga. This political realm of this shit, nigga. This nigga ain't no real leader. Tell me where he a real leader at. Why are the Lakers that garbage? Go ahead, everybody. Oh, Russ. Oh, Frank Vogel. Oh, this. Oh, that. He's the leader. If he can lead all of them motherfucking Cleveland teams to them championships in 20 years, come on, like in 100 years in a row, they went to the championship. Remember that? Remember? Oh, he a hell of a five leader then, huh? And all them series, nigga, either a team took a dive and submitted and quit because they knew what the agenda was, or the refs cheated for them niggas to propel them niggas. You want to talk about great leaders, nigga? Come on, man. I don't hear this shit. Nigga ain't no great leader, nigga. All he does is go out to try to get numbers. Period, point blank. And when shit don't go his way throughout the game, if you keep that camera on that nigga, his facial expressions and his gestures throughout the game, when adversity hits, that tells you all you need to know about who Queen James is. That nigga runs from the pressure, nigga. That's why he always gotta go get the best motherfucking name in the business to try to go win. Every time. Oh, to make me look good, nigga, I'm gonna get my numbers, but just, you know what I'm saying? I need you to be great. I need you to be really greater than me. I'm gonna get my numbers, though, and I'm gonna take all the credit. You gonna hit all the clutch shots, though, but I'm gonna take all the credit. Like, nigga. Woo! Yeah, niggas don't understand that I told niggas from the beginning of the season, nigga. Y'all might have not known this shit, because I just started my channel. And shout out to all the supporters. Love y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. Real talk from the bottom of my heart. But all y'all real. There's some real ones too. You know what I'm saying? They've been dropping comments and everything. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate you. I appreciate your intellect. I appreciate your perspectives. You feel me? See, I'm going to let you talk, nigga. When you come on my shit, I'm going to let you talk. You feel me? Cause it ain't the ego, nigga. I ain't worried about it, nigga. I'm learning from you niggas like you niggas learning from me. That's what we do. We pull from each other. Nigga, ain't none of that capping ass shit, nigga. Russ wasn't even the game, but somehow it's Russ' fault. Frank Vogel did what niggas asked him to do. He benched Russ in the clutch. Nigga, when the motherfucking Indiana Pacers made their run, nigga, it was the young niggas on the court, nigga. Is that not a fact? Let's just keep it 100, man. Keep this shit up. Stanley Johnson was on the court. Austin Reeves was on the court. Malik Monk was on the fucking court, nigga. And THT, who had an excellent game yesterday. All the young niggas. But what did I say they was gonna do when Dwight Howard left? Go to the motherfucking, to the chat, nigga, on ticket shit. So you can see what the fuck I was talking about. I said, nigga, it's only a matter of time before Indiana starts knocking down threes. What happened late in that game? What happened down the stretch of that game? What happened, nigga? Indiana was getting great looks all night. But them niggas team, you know what I'm saying, chemistry and the whole shit on Indiana it befuddles me because they are definitely have playoff talent on that roster. I don't know what Rick Carlisle is doing. I don't know if he's tanking and trying to get a draft pick. I don't know if he's just trying to, you know what I'm saying, put certain players around his team. I don't know if they're going to part with Domantas Sabonis, but, you know what I'm saying, everybody else is available. That's obvious. Probably except for Chris Duarte, though. Unless you can get some real motherfuckers back. Because Chris Duarte got a bright future. Out of Oregon. The Warriors passed on him. Warriors could have took him too. You know what I'm saying? Because he came in with the NBA game ready. But it's not about that. I said that, nigga, as soon as Dwight Howard left the game, that they were going to attack the basket, and that's exactly what they did. They got downhill. They beat all the young guys off the dribble. The rotations was not there. You know what I'm saying? And they went to the free throw line, got fouled, or they scored buckets, floaters, dunks, layups. See, that game against Utah on MLK Day, after Magic came out and said something, then LeBron came back and apologized and said we will be better. That was all for the betters. That was Vegas, nigga. Utah fools go. They didn't even play like they normally play. And then Donovan Mitchell was playing with a concussion after that nigga got hit in the head. He finished the game, nigga, and it came out after the game he had a concussion. He shouldn't have been in the game. And I say, nigga, the Lakers are who we thought they are. Shout out, rest in peace, Dennis Green, nigga. They are who we thought they are. And we let them off the fucking hook. Fool's gold, nigga. We comparing niggas to all-time greats, future Hall of Famers. Nigga can't even stay in the league, nigga. Niggas out here straight capping, nigga. LeBron's leadership is terrible, nigga. And it shows. Him and Russ playing for title, motherfucking for numbers, for stats. That's evident. Frank Vogel finally had the balls. He had to get motherfucking okay from ownership to bench Russ. The head coach of the team went to ownership to get permission to bench Russ if he felt like Russ wasn't playing up to par in certain situations down the stretch of the game. What head coach you know, nigga, can't be a head coach? That's why I say Frank Vogel is just the face. The shit show starts at the top of the organization. Tell me where I'm lying at. That's what I be trying to tell you niggas, man. Y'all niggas come on here and cap too fucking much. Niggas don't really keep it real with what's really going on behind the scenes. Lakers organization is trash. The Lakers are so fucking garbage that no fucking body wants nobody on their team. It's hard for them to make a trade. Yeah, it's rumors and speculations, it's this and that. That's why THT has to play good these last games so they can say, okay, well, THT, he has talent and this and that. THT ain't ever going to be what y'all niggas think he going to be. Like, you feel me? Telling you, nigga. He's a role player at best. Nobody want nobody on the Lakers, nigga. Niggas don't even want AD. I don't even think niggas inquiring about AD. Soft ass. It's a shit show, man. It's the LA Fakers. I told niggas that already, though. LeBron's supposed to be this hella fine ass motherfucker, the greatest ever in the world. Why are the Lakers garbage when they were one of the preseason favorites? I have to keep reiterating this. Because niggas don't seem to understand shit, nigga. You bitch ass niggas. So y'all let me know. What y'all think, man. You feel me? Y'all let me know what y'all think. You know, make sure you like, share, subscribe. And let's talk about it, man. If you want to defend Lakers, Russ, and LeBron, drop a comment. Like, you feel me? It's good. You can say whatever the fuck you want to say. And to the bitch ass niggas who keep saying that I'm deleting comments, nigga, I don't even know how to delete a comment, nigga. I'm trying to figure, I want to read this shit, nigga. That's good. I love hearing and reading that shit. Why would I delete a nigga comment, nigga? I'm not a hater. You feel me? So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, man. I ain't really tech like that. Like, you feel me? I'm still trying to figure out how to do thumbnails and you know what I'm saying? Edit videos and shit. So, like, I went to the settings, so, I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's what it is. I don't know how to delete no motherfucking comments, nigga. Fuck them motherfucking punk ass, nigga. But that's what I'm trying to explain to you niggas, though. So make sure you drop it. You feel me? Like, share, subscribe. Let's talk about it. You feel me? Let's talk about it, because I'm going to speak real shit, bruh. Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't going to sit here and come out and cap for favorite players and all of that, nigga. Everybody get the Wizards. Everybody get the Wizards. Period, point blank. You feel me? So, I just got to work. Make sure y'all have a blessed day, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody be safe. Love, live life, smile, cry, laugh. You know how I go now. You feel me? I'm going to speak real shit, bruh. Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't going to sit here and come out and cap for favorite players and all of that, nigga. Everybody get the Wizards. Everybody get the Wizards. Period, point blank. You feel me? So, I just got to work. Make sure y'all have a blessed day, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody be safe. Love, live life, smile, cry, laugh. You know how I go down. You feel me? You know how I go down. And make sure whatever you're doing out there, you do it with a passion, bro. You know what I'm saying? You turn your passions into the American dream, man. You monetize off of your passions. That's what it's all about. Whatever you're passionate about, you can create a source of income from your passion. So, real E-Leezy checking out, man. I'll get back later. But, you know I'm keeping it 100, man. Like, you can't come over here and say that I'm capping this and I'm capping that. I know what the fuck I be talking about sometimes. Maybe not all the time, but sometimes. Because ain't nobody perfect, so. And I can live with that. But, I get at y'all, man.